many of you wondered that why some peoples they are getting results in their fluency, and some peoples they are doing practice a lot since very long time, but still they are not getting any benefit or any results? Why it is happening? It happens because you are not maintaining your consistency. Yes, only you are thinking in your mind that I have to improve my English, but you are doing it for 2 days, for 3 days, or for a month. But after that, what you are doing? You just quit it, right? So don't quit it. If you want to really improve your communication skills and your English, so don't quit, don't stop your journey. Yes, if you have no any time, so you can learn phrasal verbs also, sentences, daily use sentences, which is really important. Okay, so in this video I am going to share with you some daily question answers which you can learn by yourself and try to do speak in front of mirror, and you can record yourself as well. Okay, and this video will really helpful for you. Okay, so watch this video till the end, and if this video going to be helpful for you, so make sure like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. So without any further delay, let's start.
How are you? How are you? I am good. I am good. Okay. Are you sick? Are you sick? No, I am not sick. No, I am not sick. How many cups of water do you drink? How many cups of water do you drink? I drink 8 cups daily. I drink 8 cups daily. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I read books and relax. I read books and relax. How much time do you spend on your phone? How much time do you spend on your phone? I spend 2 hours daily. I spend 2 hours daily. Okay, you can repeat it after me also. Okay, why did you start a podcast? Why did you start a podcast? To share my thoughts. To share my thoughts. Okay, so now another one I'm going to tell you. How many hours do you study per day? How many hours do you study per day? I study for 3 hours. I study for 3 hours. Okay, repeat it after me. It will help you a lot. Okay. What do you want for your anniversary? What do you want for your anniversary? I want a weekend getaway. I want a weekend getaway. Why did you start painting? Why did you start painting? It's a therapeutic activity. It's a therapeutic activity. How much do you spend on utilities? How much do you spend on utilities? I spend $150 monthly. I spend $150 monthly. Why did you adopt a pet? Why did you adopt a pet? To have companion. To have a companion. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? I have $10. I have $10. Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? I want to talk to Ruchika. I want to talk to Ruchika. What do you want to say to Ruchika? What do you want to say to Ruchika? I want to tell her something. I want to tell her something. When will she come? When will she come? She will come in 10 minutes. She will come in 10 minutes. Are you afraid? Are you afraid? No, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid. Are you American? Are you American? No, I am not American. No, I am not American. Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? No, I am not allergic. No, I am not allergic. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry. Are you married? Are you married? Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. So friends, this was the practice question and answer. You just try to speak it, and you can write it in your notebook. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, so please make sure like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for the watching. Namaste to all of you.